Hi, I am Tamko, and today I'm gonna tell you how to quickly process low-end containing audio tracks like bass and kick using iZotope Neutron and its modules like Sculptor and Equaliser. Here we have kick and bass audio tracks. Let's listen to them. Okay, what I don't like about this kick, it's too thin. It doesn't have a really punchy low end. So let's deal with it. Let's add Neutron. Let's remove Equalizer for now. And let's add Sculpture. Here I should choose percussion and kick. Low down, and let's listen to it. And let's start increasing the signal, the processing. Okay. Now it's punchier. But let's give it back a high end. Okay. So now we clearly hear low end and click, both of them. Let's listen before and after. Now low end. Yeah, and it's much more punchier now. Let's add just a little. Okay, so let's process a bass. Let's remove Equalizer again and let's add Sculpture. Let's choose bass. It's not deep and not sub, it's just general bass. Let's listen to it. Okay, it sounds fine for me. But now let's do unmasking. So let's put here Equalizer module and let's choose Unmasking kick. It means that this instance of iZotope will listen to another instance of iZotope, this one. And it will compare bass and kick signals and we'll see where they mask each other. Let's lower down sensitivity to see the most important part of the signal, of this conflict. Okay, it's already quite obvious that the most complicated zone is here. So let's move this one here and let's take this one. And I think that because of this area is quite wide, it's better not to use proportional EQ. It's much better to use bend shelf. So it's wider. And let's lower down it and let's try to listen if our kick would become much more clear and distinguishable. Yeah, it's happening. We hear punch of our kick much better. It is not masking by our bass. Let's compare. But our bass lost something, right? So let's give it back using low shelf. Okay, and let's add something here. It's just for compensation, because we removed something from our bass, so it's much better to give it back in other close areas. Okay, let's compare before and after all together. No low end, no punch. Okay, I think that we lost some high end here, right? So let's put Neutron here once again. This is a group, so let's process them together with Equalizer. Let's add some high end before let's listen to all of them before and after. Before and after. Okay, we've got punch and we did it very quickly.